Good morning everyone, respected principal, honorable teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Aiza Farid. Today 5th June we are celebrating the World Environment Day. Today our topic and theme for 2025 is Ending Plastic Pollution. The great environmental activist Gary Snyder said that nature is not a place to visit, it is a home. So first of all we have to know that what is an environment. The environment is a natural world consisting of all living and non-living things that surround us, including air, water, food, shelter, and animals, humans. One of the most beautiful and moral success slogan about environment is Vrudapu Vayunam Samrakshanam Pratham Varam. It means protection of earth, water, and air is the first and foremost duty. Environment provides essential resources like air, water, food, shelter, and it helps to maintain the weather patterns, seasonal cycles, and natural environment. It supports us with the physical health, natural resources, reduce the risk of the disease and pollution related. We are getting so many benefits from our environment. But what are we giving back to our environment? We are causing harm to our environment by perpetrating water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, and most notably plastic pollution, among other environmentally destruction activities. In this topic, I shall now talk about plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is a global problem that impacts our environment, harming ecosystem, wildlife, human health, and economy. When we use plastic products, we often do not think about their long-term impact on our planet. Once they discarded, they become a problem that does not go away. Now let's take a look cause of plastic pollution. Overconsumption of single-use plastics. Excessive use of items like plastic bags, straws, bottles, and packaging contributes significantly to plastic waste. Improper waste management. Lack of effective waste recycling and recollection, recycling and disposal system leads to plastic waste ending up in a landfill or the environment. Now we will see effect of plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is a severe effect on pollution of ocean and water waves. Plastic waste including microplastic contaminating the river, lake and ocean, affecting aquatic life and ecosystem. Entanglement and suffocation. Marine animals get trapped in a plastic debris like fishing nets, six-pack rings and other discarded items. Ingestion of plastic waste. Animal ingest plastic, mistaking it for food, which can cause blockages, nutrient deficiency, and health. Additionally, plastic waste affects water quality and it can accumulate it in the soil, contaminating the food we eat and our health. Plastic pollution also has economic costs such as the loss of tourism and damage to fisheries and other industries. Ending plastic pollution requires to address this problem. We need to reduce the use of a single-use plastic and recycling the plastic. Government and business must work together to create policies and incentives that encourage the transition to more sustainable alternatives. As individuals, we can make a difference by reducing our plastic footprint and advocating for solution to plastic pollution. In conclusion, plastic pollution is the serious pollution and the problem. Immediately take action. Only by working together can we create a healthier and more sustainable future. So let's all come together and make a pledge. Let's protect nature. Let's save for the future. Thank you one and all.